Ow! That hurt.
Fire!
Oh no.
Huh? What?
Do we have hoses?
Yeah, 3.
All right, hook up one to me, hook up one to Reneos, and hook up one to the water tower.
Alright.
How did that even start?
I don't know. Well, I do. One of the workers witnessed what happened. What did happen? From what I heard, you, Scarlowy, spluttered. When that happened, a spark flew from your funnel and went behind the carriage shed, which is where the fire appeared to have started from. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. It's okay. I know it wasn't intentional, but we are going to look you over and see if we notice anything. Okay, sir. Scarlowy, it appears that some of your parts are becoming worn out. We don't have the money to send you over to the works at the moment, so we are going to have to leave you in the shed. All right, sir. Can I be put in the open shed? Why would you want that? You'd be exposed to the elements. I know, but I don't want to be cooped up in a shed. I want to see what's happening around me. That's understandable. Reneus, can you shunt Scarlowy into the open shed and start working? I will try and rearrange the schedule so that you are able to do 2 engines worth of work, as long as that is okay with you.
Of course, sir. Anything to help the railway.
Is everything alright, Scarlowy? I saw the commotion this morning.
I found out that the fire started because of my parts being worn out.
Oh. When are you going over to the works?
I don't know. My controller told me we don't have the money to get me repaired right now.
Jeez, that's awful. Well, I better get back to work. If you need anything, let me know.
Thanks, Neil.
This is ridiculous.
What is ridiculous?
The fact that we have to take goods and passengers on the same train. What is the controller even thinking?
He has no other option. He only has half of his fleet at the moment, and with Scarlowy out of action.
He could at least get another engine in to help.
Whatever. Come on, we need to collect the slate trucks.
We don't have trucks.
They spoil our image.
The coaches are right.
Oh, be quiet. We have no other option.
Yes, we do. We can leave them behind.
Yes, yes, leave them behind.
We are not going to do that. Now come on. Now we can leave.
Ew, ugly trucks.
Oh, hush.
Hope you guys have your umbrellas ready, because there's going to be a lot of rain this week.
That's just what we needed.
That is going to make work a lot harder.
You can say that again.
What should we do with Scarlowy?
We can't leave him in the rain all week.
I know. We can move him to the shed in the meantime.
When are we going to send him into the workshop?
I don't know. At this rate, I don't think he'll make it to the workshop before we go bankrupt.
Bankrupt?
Yes. Unless some miracle happens, we don't have long less. We're running out of money fast.
Why don't we do something to help save money?
I've done everything I can. I've had to sack 2/3 of our staff, and I have already been buying cheap coal. I don't know what else I can do.
It sounds like there is nothing else we can do but wait out our time. Have you told the engines yet?
No. I don't want to worry them. Especially Reneus. He is under enough stress already.
Oh no. I should warn Scarlowy.
Scarlowy, do you want to be moving to the shed so you're out of the rain?
No, thank you.
Are you sure? It's very cold and wet.
I'm sure. Thanks anyways.
Scarlowy,
What's wrong, Neil? You seem worried.
I overheard something from your controller.
What did you hear?
Your railway is on the verge of bankruptcy.
Really? That's not good at all.
Exactly.
Is there anything that can be done?
From what I've heard, nothing that isn't already being done.
Well, this is bad. Really bad.
They weren't wrong about this weather.
Yep, apparently this isn't even the worst of it.
Oh, please don't tell me it's going to get worse later on in the week.
That's exactly what I'm saying. I think that the controllers should cancel all trains for the rest of the week.
I don't think that'll be necessary. Work will just be a bit harder, that's all. This rain is awful.
Yes, it is.
My driver was saying that the controller should cancel all the trains because of this weather. I told him that wouldn't be necessary.
In normal circumstances, the controller would have cancelled all trains.
Normal circumstances? What do you mean by that?
Neil told me that he overheard the manager and some workers talking.
What did they say?
They said they were on the verge of bankruptcy.
What?
Keep it down, we aren't supposed to know.
No wonder he hasn't cancelled any of the trains.
Exactly. Just keep up the good work that you've been doing.
Of course I will.
I told you it was going to get worse. We should just cancel the trains ourselves when we get back to Croven's Gate.
We can't. I refuse to not work.
Oh, come on. You can't be serious. Why do you want to work in a storm?
I don't want to, but we have to. We have a duty of care to our passengers, clients, and this railway.
Alright, fine. If you want to work so bad, then we can.
Interesting.
Come on, come on.
Reneus, don't push yourself.
I have to get this train home if it's the last thing I do. Ow!
What's wrong?
I've got a cramp. It hurts to move.
I said not to push yourself.
That's not important right now. What is important is the passengers are now stranded in the middle of nowhere.
Well, what are we going to do then?
I'm going to have to struggle. Push through the pain.
You might damage yourself. It's not worth the risk.
Yes, it is. Ah, come on! Ow!
Reneus, that's enough!
One last try. I've done it! Ow! I've done it!
Good job, Reneus. Come on, Reneus. You've got this. We're almost there.
Ow! I've made it.
Great job, old boy.
Rheneas, where have you been? You're late and we can't have delays.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hello, sir. Sorry for the late arrival time. If you would like a refund, you can head over to the ticket office.
No, it's not that. Your engineer is very impressive. His determination is the most impressive thing.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't understand what you mean.
Your engineer struggled through the storm when most have given up. Not only that, but he struggled on after what I can only assume is a breakdown. He refused to give up when anyone else would have. I've never seen anything like it, and I'm very impressed.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I had no clue. Excellent job then, Rheneas.
I'll continue to try my hardest, sir.
Anyway, on to my main topic. I'm currently in charge of a very successful business. Due to that, I have lots of money and would like to help this railway out. I've heard a rumor that this railway is starting to struggle, and I would like to fix that. I would first like to pay for this engine's repairs. I also know he is currently your only running engine. I know of 2 engines that have been put up for sale recently and can purchase them for this railway. And lastly, I would also like to pay for advertisements for this railway to get it more attention.
Oh, wow! That would be amazing, sir. Thank you so much.
Trust me, it's not a problem, and if you need anything else, here's my business card. I better be off now. I should hopefully be able to get those engines here within the next couple days.
Goodbye, and thank you again.
We needed a miracle, and I think we just got one.
I can't agree more.
Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as across the hill, and the town lit up. The world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing. Where the good old